Thursday morning, 1 degree and chilly. So what am I doing? I'm still on somebody's driveway, which is definitely needs some work to it. But first of all, check this bit out. In and out drive, and if you see, it's pretty bad. Apparently there's paving under there. So in this way, or out that way, and then back round to here. So yeah, this has got loads of lighting. That is pretty grubby. So, right, first of all, I've got to get water. So let's clear this. Are you still using tape measures? It's 2025, almost 26. Get yourself one of these. Get yourself a Moja 2 Pro. I'll show you it. Place the Moja down nice and softly. Wait for the beep and move along. Don't forget to get a stick as well. Make it easier getting down into those corners. Just open it up, stick your device in the end, and less bending. Beep. So the shape I'm measuring at the moment isn't that complicated. I have done more complicated, but every time I get my Moja out, it just makes things so much simpler. But the beauty part about it is instantly I know within minutes what the area is, so I can calculate it per meter square, what I charge for doing what I do, and I can instantly tell the customer how much it's actually going to cost, and I can walk away knowing if they're going to want me to do the job or not. Is it within their price range? In the description, quote X8 Scott to get your discount for your Moja 2 Pro. Get one for 2026 and move with the times. Stop being a dinosaur. I think I'm going to use my surface cleaner first, just to get them in charge of the shit off, because they don't want anything spraying on the house, because it's that resin render or whatever it is. So he's really like, make sure I don't get anything on there, and carb there, I don't want to splash it up with a turbo nozzle. So I think I'm going to go over first with my surface cleaner, just to keep all the down. And I might set up my massive tripod. It's like 5 meters big. I'm going to stick it in the middle of that bush, point it right up in the air, and my GoPro on the end, facing down. That might take a while to set up. Yada, yada. I actually thought that area there was a flower bed. It's not. So paviours. This is going to be a nightmare. I might pull this bloody thing out. Yeah, it just feels like the first blast, if anything, it just defrosted it a bit. So I managed to blow off some of the crap, swept some of the stuff up, but my tank's empty. So just wait for that to fill. I screwed up something, gutted, and I had to show the customer. I'll show you first and I'll show the customer. Gotta be fair. I had my exhaust. Had my exhaust up against the bloody wall, didn't I? I'd be told to make sure don't screw anything up. Well, I've let the customer know, by the way, as well. So he's just been in contact with the people with did it, because it's that resin rend. Oh, so yeah, I had to cough up to that straight away. Gotta be honest. So the customer's been in contact with the people who did the render on the house, the resin render. I took a photo of it, showed it to the guy. Apparently 700 quid to repair it. Gutted. So I'm decent guy. I'm going to continue with the work. I've got the job around the back I've got to do, what I've got to clean and flow point. So just going to have to take 700 quid off the bill, and for me it's a lesson learned. But I always do the right thing. I haven't scarpered, I haven't done anything like that. I screwed up, I'll pay for it, I'll fix it. because I have responsibility being a business owner. That cleaned up there, that's like 1 tank of water. And it's run out again. Water pressure's not brilliant. And the pressure washer itself does lose power every now and then. But I'm going to give this a swirl down. Then I'm going to get the X-Jet on it. Yeah, my bloody GoPro fell over as well. Oh, so that'll be interesting, its last dying moments.
I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. Something, or maybe you can't feel anything. She's not gonna give you everything. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. Bye, bye, LA
So I'm probably not going to film this bit. This is the flow pointing. So originally it was just this area because it had the brushing grout, which is really crap. I've just gone over with a pressure washer and I am actually managed to blast out the joints relatively easy. So I probably won't need that. I've got to say, I'm glad I bought this Nilfisk Premium 200. For the smaller jobs, you don't have to set up my big ones. This is ample enough. And look at the difference now. Right, dirty bit coming up. 3. It's good to have a petrol one and an electric one, just for these smaller jobs. And it's powerful enough as well to get these joints clear. 200 bar. So it clears it out. So yeah, get an electric one as well. So our driveway's done. Wasn't expecting to have water along here. That's because I did this bit down here as a freebie for a bit of an apology for that. So that's the size of it, just so you know. And that's cost me about £900, including VAT. Absolutely gutted. Lesson learned there. Won't be screwing that up again, will I? So, basically did it all for free. So, behind me, clean and hypo. And then back here was just clean and grout. So this bit was just clean and grout. But yeah, ended up really doing it all for sod all. Customer's just really happy that I didn't just leg it, because it happened within the first half hour. So, been here 2.5 days for free. And I still did that bit as an extra. I don't actually call this job working sometimes, I just call it entertainment. I cleaned the front, I cleaned the back, this was bogging, I might as well do that. I wouldn't have done freebies landscaping, or I'll put some extra slabs down there, I'll build you some steps for free. For this job, in a way, it's not really work, it's just therapeutic. Come back for the next video. Tidy.